So this is the last one. It's similar, it has a lot of dots, but you're going to tell me sometimes how many dots you see and sometimes how many empty spots you see. Okay, here's the first one.
6.
6 dots or 6 empty spots?
6 dots.
6 dots? How many empty spots did you see?
I don't know.
Can you think about it for a minute?
I think 4, maybe?
You know what? You're right. But how did you know that? Because I almost showed you for 3 seconds. How did you know there were 4 empty ones?
I kind of saw it, but I didn't, so I guessed, pretty much.
You guessed?
Pretty much, yeah.
So, I'll cover this up again. If there's 6 dots and 4 blanks, how many like spaces are there on that one?
Spaces?
You know, total spaces that.
Oh, 10.
Okay. So would that help you if you looked at one and you saw 3 dots?
Yeah.
Then how many blank spaces would there be?
3 dots. 7.
What was that hard? Why are you breathing hard?
I couldn't breathe. I didn't breathe for that.
Why?
I had to think so hard.
Sometimes when you're thinking you don't breathe.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What'd you see?
I saw 1 missing.
So how many dots are there?
9.
How do you know?
Because if there's 1 missing from 10, that would be 9.
Okay. Okay, tell me what you see in this one.
I saw 2 blanks and 8 dots.
How do you know?
Because I saw 6 on one side and 1 on the. I saw 3 on this side and 3 on this side. Then 2 were missing. And I saw 2 more dots, and so that would be 8.
Okay.
And then there was 2 missing.
All right. One, 2, 3.
I didn't see. There were 6 and 4.
6 what and 4 what?
6 dots and 4 blanks.
Can you explain that?
There are 6 dots.
Can you explain how you're sure about that?
Because I don't know how to explain it. Sorry to explain. My hands hurt because I did this side
Oh my
and
gosh.
this side.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
All right, try this one, Luke. I'm gonna do it for 2 seconds. Ready? 1, 2.
I didn't see. I thought I was going.
Okay. 1, 2.
8 and 2 missing. 8 dots and 2 missing. No, where'd you put it?
Try this one, Luke.
I didn't get it.
Try that
We
one.
just have to cover them up. Yeah. 3 are missing, so that would be 7.
You didn't have to count the dots?
I don't
Okay,
know.
hey, we're almost done here,
You
Luke.
can't even see out of it. It's just all black. You can't color.
Hey, I'm gonna get real. I need your full concentration because this is gonna get hard. I'm not sure if you can do these last ones or not. All right.
How many were?
Just this stack here. That one should be fairly easy to you. Do you see it? No, you don't. What do you see there?
5
5 what?
and 5.
5 and 5 what?
5 dots, 5 missing.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
All right.
That stack.
I'm gonna skip some of these because you can tell me. Can you just look at that and tell me what you see?
I see 4 missing and 8. No. 6 dots.
Okay. Now we're gonna try a challenge. You ready for this challenge?
Yes.
These are called 2 frames. That means on a page you have 2 frames. Okay, now I'm going to show this one to you for 3 seconds. I want you to try to tell me, if I have 2 frames, then how many spaces do I have?
If I have 2 frames, how many spaces?
2 10 frames.
You have 20.
Okay, so 2 10 frames would give you 20 spaces.
Yep.
So I'm going to show you this, and I want you to look at the dots for 3 seconds and then tell me what you see. Ready?
I saw 10 dots and 10 missing.
How did you know?
Because I saw, I know that I could just get these 4 and put them right there. And, I could put these 4 and then right there. And then this one would be all empty.
Okay.
And that one would be full.
All right, this might get harder. Did you see it already?
8 and 9.
How many dots did you see?
I saw 8, 9 dots.
What does that make?
You show 8 and 9 this.
I think
17?
you saw 17 dots.
Probably. Did I? Did I? I don't know.
You want to check it and see?
10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 8. 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
So how many blank ones?
Easy. Three. With this.
How many on one side?
3 and 2.
Okay.
No, 3 and 4.
Okay, ready?
No, 3 and 4.
Two.
3 and 4.
Let's see what you can do here.
Show me again. Dang it! Man! Oh, please show me again. I didn't get to see.
I think this is similar to when you did earlier, when you saw you
Okay,
moved them over.
Give me that.
You remember how you had
Give
that
me-
strategy of moving them over?
Yes.
Okay, let's try that strategy.
Okay.
Okay?
Oh, that's easy. I can just move those over. That would be 10
Mm-hmm.
and 10.
Okay. I like your strategy, but why didn't you use it the next time?
I don't know.
You can just go.
Yep.
All right. Hard. Ready? Can you move some over?
Oh, I got it. I got it. Yeah, I can move those over. That would be, so 10 dots
Mm-hmm.
and 9. Actually, 11 dots.
Uh-huh.
My bad. 11 dots and 9, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and 9 blanks.
Okay, so what happens when you move it up over and it fills up and you have one extra?
Then there's only 9 over here. And there's only 9 of the extras. And over here it's 4.
I didn't get that. I didn't count what you're saying right now.
Neither do I.
Then there's only 1 extra over here once you move all those over.
Okay.
Cause like, can I draw?
Yeah.
So like, all these go over there.
Okay.
All those go over there, but this one doesn't have any place.
Yeah.
So this one would stay, and that would only leave 9.
Okay.
There's only 1 remaining.
Right.
Then there would be 9 blanks.
That's funny because when I moved it,
Yeah.
I moved these 3 over here,
Oh,
and I had 1 left. That's a different way to do it. Is it easier to move all those, or is it easy to move 3?
I think all of these.
All those?
Well, because it's on my side.
Maybe if it was this way,
Yeah, I would do it
you
this.
might have moved it that.
Yeah.
Maybe I should show it to you like this, so you can look at it that way. Let me try to show it to you like that.
Oh, no, that's okay.
Okay? Just try it.
There are 14 dots. And 16 blanks.
16 blanks?
No.
That's wrong.
Oh, no. 6 blanks.
Yes.
Was that right?
That's Yeah, I counted them.
Okay.
I counted them earlier.
Did you count them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or did you just see 6?
I just counted by twos.
By 2s?
2 for 6.
Luke, did you move them in this one, or did you move them, or did you just count the blanks?
I moved them.
You did move them? Hey. But in this one, is there an easier way than moving them? Okay, we're almost done. Is there an easier way than moving them in this one?
No. And no.
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 Well, a little.
Well, you can move this one over
You
there.
can only move 3 over there.
Yeah, you can just move 3 over
You can
here,
just
3
move.
over there.
Since it's equal
Yeah.
blanks, then could you just know that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blanks without moving?
Any of the 3 over here.
Right.
Then that makes it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That's true.
7. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh.
All right, let's see if you can do this one, Luke. It's kind of hard.
Here's
Ready?
the last one. It's 9, and that's 1 to 6. Five remaining. There's 5 blanks.
His face is red.
How did you do that with your face on the table?
I don't know. There's 5 blanks and 5 blanks.
What's going on in your head when you're thinking that? What are you?
Blanks.
What do you-
5 blanks and 15 dots.
What are you picturing?
He's probably picturing
Just
this.
a-
dots.
Just a smidge. Move right back so the camera can see him too. You're okay. I like you on the camera. What are you
I'm
picturing?
kind of picturing skateboarding wheels.
Are you really?
Yeah.
You're picturing skateboarding wheels.
Kind of.
Okay. All right.
Like just draw like a stick. Like how
See, look at this game.
Last one.
Oh gosh. Okay. I
No,
didn't,
that's the
I
second
didn't get to
one.
look at it. Is that what I'm doing right now?
Okay, now you're counting with your finger. Is it easier to count with your finger every one,
No.
or is it easier to look
I
at
can
the?
move them.
Is it easier to move it?
I've seen those PJs before.
6, 2,
Saw those.
4, 6. Move that one over.
That's where I've seen them.
10,
You like the glove.
5 and
Oh,
so
shower
there's
quick.
15, and then
He needs to
4
shower too.
No, I don't.
Oh yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
How many did you see here?
I said I don't know.
Okay.
Forgot.
All right, we've done a lot. Let me ask you a couple questions and I'll end this. All right. Move up here so we can get you on camera. All right. All right. Question. In your opinion, if you were teaching someone to do math, would you teach them to count with their finger on every, and so they could count them up, or would you teach them to count it as a set or
Count
as?
it as a set.
Why? Why would you teach them to do that? Because isn't counting important? What would you
Yeah.
teach? Why do you think it's easier to do that?
I don't know. I just know counting as a set is better because counting as a finger is really actually takes a long time
Takes a long time.
to do.
Can you count as accurately if you're counting with sets? Is it as good as to do it like that as it is? Like, I mean, are you on the number if you count by sets?
What do you mean?
Like, do you mess up ever when you count by sets?
Yeah, you mess up sometimes.
But is it a good way to count?
Yes.
Okay. And why? Because it's faster?
Yeah,
Like you said.
pretty much, yeah.
Anything else?
No.
Okay, thank you.
But yeah.
Bye.